it makes so much sense. Keep the money in the community, keep the resources in the community. It's our wind, let's use it. It was about 15 years after the miners' strike, so the area was quite run down, a lot of unemployment, a lot of disillusion, a lot of services were kind of being withdrawn from the area, and we felt that if we were to be able to build a wind farm, then we could sell the energy and put all the profits back into the community. The wind farm puts electricity into the grid. We get a payment for that. With the first payment, we bought this building. It was the old school, and it closed down in 2015.
It was so well loved. My own children came to this school, which was really lovely. So it was really important to make sure that people were involved in what its future was going to be, because it is still a community space, it is still their space, so we wanted to make sure it was going to be used by them.
So Hub Agorst is a low carbon community hub, and the idea of it is to create a space which enables people and supports people to live a kind of low carbon lifestyle. But also it's all about community resilience as well. You know, we have mental health projects, we have community arts projects, we have our energy advice team are here.
It was really, really special to actually be able to open the doors and yeah, just to see people in the building again.
You know, it's good for the community, it's good for the environment. This is a win-win situation. We've kind of compared it to Tower Colliery, where, you know, the miners bought the mine, and it's like,